Alright, this is meteorologist Dean Davison from the Weather Pros and liveweatherblogs.com. We're taking a look at the next couple days and into the future here, what we will see over the next couple days, next week, and then even beyond in the longer range models, which we will look at the pattern and see if there's snow coming. So let's take a look over the next 24 to 48 hours here. You can see a little bit of light precipitation moving through the area in the Delaware Valley. All that will move away, and when we'll then get some precipitation moving into the area for Sunday. Not a whole lot of precipitation at all really falling during that time frame. Looking at snowfall accumulations here, we'll just take a look at a snowfall map. Where it might snow. Like you see, very little snow occurring in Pennsylvania at all during this period. Nothing for Virginia. We might get some sleet pelts Sunday morning, but that's about it. So when we turn on the freezing rain to see if we get any freezing rain pellets, like I said, it does show up in the mountainous areas. So a little bit of freezing rain, a couple sleet pellets, not out of the question for the Appalachian area on Sunday. Looking at the wide view GFS here, we're looking at going into Saturday and Sunday. You get the high pressure moving into the area for Sunday. Like I said, very light precipitation as the front goes through. Most precipitation will be up in the Syracuse area and areas such as that. A little bit of light precipitation develops over the area of Tennessee and Kentucky. Moves to north. This will be rain as we work into Tuesday. And then this thing really strengthens. And this is, could be an issue for possibly severe weather on Wednesday as this front moves through. And then behind it, we may actually see a little bit of snow fall behind the front. And then as this front moves off the coast. We then will continue to watch it as we get to the mid-range and late and long range here, where we see a high pressure across the east move away a little. We get a low trying to form in the south. A couple clippers come through the northeast. By the time we hit the 18th, we're still looking at potential rainfall, maybe a little snow, but like I said, most of these things have disappeared that have shown up. We may see a little bit of snow. Anything would be good after the 15th, in my opinion, based on the pattern. The pattern's going to be shifting back and forth, thus February. This is actually the shear levels, and this is something to show for damaging winds and some isolated tornadoes. You see, this does move east and into Virginia by the time we get into Wednesday. So it's possible we see some severe weather in or around that time frame. And this is clearly shown on the sounding from that time frame. When I clicked on there for the sounding, you can see winds changing with height, increasing. Pretty good profile there. The turning here is very decent. This is very much an acute LCS situation, quasi-linear convective system. We do see a supercell at 1.8, some STP, which is always good. Matches for some tornadoes. And as you see here, you do have a nice turning in the atmosphere. And the potential hazard type, it's a weak tornado. Obviously, this when you click on to the situation, will tell you what kind of potential hazard type there is. And so, damaging winds and a weak tornado may not be ruled out for the Roanoke region for the day on Wednesday. So we got to keep an eye on this. It's been on and off. Definitely looking at the LCL being an issue, which is low-level Cape. So we will watch this very closely and continue to update you. Other than that, this weekend seems to be maybe a few passing showers, a few passing snowflakes, nothing major, and we're heading into the Super Bowl, so whoever you have for your team, root them on. Other than that, we'll talk to you again a little bit later. Meteorologist Dean Davis and the Weather Pros. Thanks for watching.